Hi, I'm Doug. I'm your tech support representative for Atlantic British, and as part of our Repair and Maintenance Academy, I want to show you the pollen filter kit that we have for the P38 Range Rovers, manufactured between 1995 and 2002. Now, I know some items that we have separates the GEMS engine P38 to the Bosch engine, but this particular kit will fit both, goes through the entire range of that model. Now, you will get two filter kits, boxed, because this particular vehicle does use a pollen filter for both right and left hand side on the vehicle. Now the kit number, which we'll show you on the sheet that you can download, is BTR 8037SKA and lists it as pollen and cabin filter. Now this is a service that's recommended every 15,000 miles. If you live in a rather dusty area, then I would suggest you want to check them, probably change them earlier than that, maybe once every 10,000. They're very easy to install, and we're going to show you how to put them in just a minute. Okay, so this is a relatively easy repair. This isn't going to take you very long. This is a few minutes, really. Now, essentially on both sides of your upper cowl, you have these oval black covers, and this is what your pollen filter mount is inside of. Simply held in with two Phillips head screws. And again, changing these pollen filters is a very good idea. It actually allows, this will filter your intake air for your heating and air conditioning and give you cleaner air to breathe inside. Simply just remove the two Phillips screws. Place them in a spot where they're not going to roll away or disappear. You see, basically the cover pops right off, and you'll even see on top of the filter we've actually got leaves and debris that would have been drawn down into your intake system had that filter not been there. Now, when you pull it out, just notice the way that it's mounted in the vehicle. You have these black tabs, and these are in the upper position facing up. And you can see how much these filters stop the amount of garbage that can drop down inside your AC and heating and air conditioning system. So these are a really good idea to change on a regular basis. Take any debris that's laying up inside, what you can fish out. If you have access to a shop vacuum, that does a really nice job. Just simply vacuum the stuff out of here, and you got less of a chance of anything getting caught down inside the AC system. So now you see we have a nice clean opening on that. Then you're simply going to take the new filter. You'll need to wiggle a little bit and work it down inside because it has to center up on its guides. You have two hands and just wiggle back and forth. Set that down in place. Put your cover back over, line up your screw holes, and reinstall your two Phillips screws. They don't have to be super tight. And just bring it in until you feel it come to a stop, and then snug it in. And then the same with the other. Now the operation for the other side will be exactly the same, so we don't need to do that again, but that will show you how to change over the pollen filter. And again, you don't want this being drawn into your AC system. Okay, so when you're ready to change over your pollen filter, you can give a call at 1-800-533-2210, and any of our knowledgeable salesmen will be happy to help you.